In this video, we're going to talk about the best app stacks for your N8N AI agent. N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that integrates with various AI services. To build a highly efficient AI agent, you need the right stack of ops that services, but here are the tools and integrate with your N8N for automation and AI-driven workflows. First is AI and NLP services. OpenAI or GPT-4 for text generation, summarization, and chatbot capabilities. Hugging Face to run custom AI models, including transformers and embeddings. Google Vertex AI, advanced AI model hosting and training. Second is data processing and storage. Airtable or Google Sheets store and manage structured data dynamically. PostgreSQL and MongoDB for scalable databases and analytics, and Redis fast data caching for real-time AI responses. Third is web scraping and APIs. Apify or Scrapify extract web data for training AI models, while SERP API, it searches for engine automation for AI-driven research. Fourth is automation integration. Zapier, connect N8N with thousands of apps and make or Integromat advanced automation with API support. Fifth is the cloud services. AWS Lambda, serverless and AI function execution, while Google Cloud functions automate AI workflows with cloud functions. Supabase, open source, Firebase alternative for real-time databases. Six is messaging and communication. Twilio, it automates AI-powered SMS and calls. How about Telegram, WhatsApp app, and API? It deploys AI chatbots for messaging. You can also use Slack or Discord, which AI-powered notifications and chatbot. The seventh is the productivity and task management. You can use Notion to store AI-generated notes and tasks, or ClickUp or Asana, which is AI-powered workflow automation. The final thoughts is to pairing N8N with the right app stack can super change your AI agent, making it more efficient, scalable, and capable of automating complex workflows. Which integrations are you planning to use? Thank you for watching.